Hey everyone, welcome back to Hidden Corner by Mrs. Makhani. So, if you have ever opened your fridge and thought, did something just move? Don't worry, you are not alone. Today we are tackling the fridge monster. We are cleaning, organizing, and maybe uncovering some mysterious leftovers that just might qualify as science experiments. Grab your favorite cloth and let's get this fridge sparkling. Okay, deep breath. You know that moment when you open your fridge and instantly regret your life choices. Yeah, that's me right now. But don't worry, we'll fix it. One sticky shelf at a time. Let's start with the door shelves. Out goes everything: sauces, dressings, and that one bottle of chili sauce that expired 2 birthdays ago. Why do we all keep 10 types of mustard? Like, are we running a hot dog stand? Anyway, everything's coming out. Now we are removing all the shelves carefully. You know, it's serious when the fridge starts looking empty enough to echo. These shelves are going straight to the sink for a good wash. They have seen better days, things they can't unsee. So here's the fun part: washing the shelves. I'm using some warm, soapy water and a soft sponge. If you're wondering, Mrs. Makhani, why not show this part fully? Because trust me, watching me scrub glass for 10 minutes isn't the content anyone asked for. While I'm washing these shelves, let's chat a bit. Does anyone else get weirdly proud when they clean something they usually ignore for months? Like I suddenly feel like I deserve a trophy, a nap, and maybe a coffee. Okay, fine, maybe dessert too. Now we are drying the shelves and wiping down the fridge doors because stickiness is not part of the decor. I'm using my favorite cloth for this. Links for everything I used are in description below if you're interested. All right, now we are putting everything back in. The shelves go in like puzzle pieces. You know that moment when you take everything out confidently, but then forget which shelf goes where? Yeah, me too. But it's all coming together now. It's giving organized mom energy. Now, the fun part: checking expiry dates. Goodbye to this jar of olives. Let's just say, if it could talk, it would have his own stories. While I'm at it, I'm wiping every single item before it goes back in. We are doing a full on spa day for the fridge. Everything's wiped and ready to go back into the door space. Sauces together, drinks on one side, and no more mystery jar section. It already looks so much cleaner. I can actually see the shelves again. Now onto the main area. I have emptied everything out. I washed and wiped all the containers off camera because nobody wants a 2 hour movie about containers drying. But I promise they are spotless. Here comes the best part, refilling all the fruit and veggies nicely. Rich Tetris. Not restocking just yet, trying to use what we have before I buy more. Less wastage and more satisfaction. Also, does anyone else feel oddly happy seeing neatly arranged fruits and veggies? Or is it just me? Quick final wipe inside the fridge because no matter how clean you think it is, there is always one tiny crumb mocking you. But we got it. Victory is ours. Alright, moment of truth. Drum roll, please. Look at this fridge, clean, organized, and shining like it's ready for a magazine cover. I do try to wipe it regularly whenever I see a stain, so it never gets too bad. But sometimes a deep clean like this just feels so satisfying. If you liked today's video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Hidden Corner by Mrs. Makhani for more home cleaning, organizing, and family fun content. And remember, all the items I used for organizing are linked in the description below in case you want to grab the same ones. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your corners hidden but clean. Thank you. See ya.